Deep within New Zealand's captivating landscapes, a remarkable treasure emerges: Manuka honey. Derived from the nectar of the Manuka flower, this liquid gold possesses unique potency, far surpassing ordinary honey. For centuries, the indigenous Maori people have revered Manuka honey as a potent healing elixir. Today we uncover the remarkable benefits of Manuka honey, exploring its potential to transform our health and vitality. Venture with me into the microscopic world where unseen battles rage every second. Here in this hidden realm lies a powerful ally in the fight against harmful bacteria. This ally is none other than Manuka honey, a golden elixir that has been revered for centuries. Within a jar of Manuka honey lies a potent secret. At the heart of this conflict lies methylglyoxal, or MgO, a compound found in significant concentrations within Manuka honey. MgO is not just any ordinary molecule, it is a formidable warrior against bacteria. This compound exhibits extraordinary antibacterial properties, effectively inhibiting resilient bacteria that often evade conventional treatments. Its unique mechanism of action disrupts bacterial growth and survival. Scientists have revealed that Manuka honey combats a broad spectrum of bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains. This means that even the most stubborn bacteria, which have developed resistance to multiple antibiotics, can be subdued by the power of Manuka honey. This discovery holds immense promise in a world grappling with antibiotic resistance. As bacteria evolve and become more resistant to our current arsenal of antibiotics, the need for alternative treatments becomes ever more critical. Manuka honey also exhibits antiviral and antifungal properties, further solidifying its reputation as a versatile natural remedy. Its ability to combat a wide range of pathogens makes it an invaluable tool in maintaining health. It helps maintain the delicate balance of microorganisms within our bodies, essential for our health. A balanced microbiome is crucial for digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. Manuka honey's antibacterial prowess and harmonious relationship with our bodies have propelled it to the forefront of natural remedies. From soothing sore throats to treating skin infections, its applications are diverse and effective. Its ability to support wound healing is particularly noteworthy. When applied to wounds, Manuka honey creates a moist environment that promotes tissue regeneration and reduces the risk of infection. Remember the invisible battles being fought within, a testament to the extraordinary power of nature's smallest wonders. Manuka honey stands as a shining example of how nature's gifts can provide powerful solutions to modern health challenges. From the depths of the New Zealand forest to modern medicine, Manuka honey's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. This unique honey, derived from the nectar of the Manuka tree, has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. Manuka honey's journey is remarkable. The process begins with bees collecting nectar from the Manuka flowers, which are native to New Zealand. This nectar is then transformed into honey through a meticulous process within the hive. For centuries, indigenous cultures have recognized its extraordinary ability to heal wounds. The Maori people of New Zealand have long used Manuka honey as a natural remedy for various ailments, including wounds and infections. Today, science is catching up, unraveling the secrets behind Manuka honey's healing touch. Researchers have discovered that Manuka honey contains unique compounds such as methylglyoxal, which contribute to its potent antibacterial properties. Manuka honey's unique composition, rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and growth factors, sets it apart from other types of honey. These components work together to create an environment that is conducive to rapid tissue repair and regeneration. When applied to a wound, Manuka honey forms a protective barrier, keeping the wound moist and preventing infection. This moist environment is crucial for the healing process, as it allows cells to grow and divide more effectively. These components work in harmony, reducing inflammation, promoting cell growth, and accelerating healing. The anti-inflammatory properties of Manuka honey help to reduce swelling and pain, while its antibacterial properties prevent infection and promote a clean healing environment. Studies have shown that Manuka honey can significantly reduce wound healing time and minimize scarring. Clinical trials have demonstrated its effectiveness in treating a variety of wounds from minor cuts and burns to more severe injuries. Its multifaceted approach targets multiple aspects of the healing cascade. From diabetic ulcers to surgical wounds, Manuka honey has been shown to be effective in promoting healing and reducing complications. Its ability to target different stages of the healing process makes it a versatile and valuable treatment option. Its therapeutic potential knows no bounds. Patients and healthcare professionals alike have reported positive outcomes when using Manuka honey for wound care. Testimonials from patients who have experienced faster healing and reduced scarring highlight the honey's remarkable benefits. Manuka honey offers hope for those struggling with chronic wounds, often resistant to conventional treatments. Chronic wounds such as pressure ulcers and diabetic foot ulcers can be particularly challenging to treat. However, Manuka honey has shown promise in promoting healing and reducing the risk of infection in these difficult cases. Its ability to stimulate collagen production plays a crucial role in reducing scarring. Collagen is a vital protein that provides structure and strength to the skin. By promoting collagen production, Manuka honey helps to improve the overall quality of the healed tissue, resulting in less noticeable scars. The evidence is undeniable. Manuka honey is a force of nature, a testament to the extraordinary healing power within the natural world. Its unique properties and proven effectiveness make it a valuable tool in modern medicine, bridging the gap between traditional remedies and contemporary scientific advancements. As we continue to explore its potential, we unlock new possibilities for treating wounds, offering hope and healing. The future of wound care is bright, with Manuka honey leading the way as a natural and effective treatment option. Its journey from the forests of New Zealand to the forefront of medical research is a testament to the power of nature and the endless possibilities it holds for healing and recovery. Deep within the human body lies a complex ecosystem known as the gut microbiome. This network of trillions of bacteria plays a pivotal role in our overall health. Manuka honey, a natural prebiotic, promotes digestive harmony. Imagine the gut as a thriving rainforest teeming with diverse bacterial species. Manuka honey selectively feeds beneficial bacteria, allowing them to flourish. It helps maintain a healthy bacterial balance, ensuring optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Manuka honey's antibacterial properties combat harmful bacteria that can disrupt our digestive system. Studies have shown it can be effective against Helicobacter pylori, implicated in stomach ulcers. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe inflammation in the gut, providing relief from conditions like IBS. Manuka honey emerges as a powerful ally in our quest for optimal health and vitality. Within the human body, an intricate defense system safeguards our health. This system, known as the immune system, is our body's natural defense mechanism against harmful pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and other foreign invaders. It works tirelessly, day and night, to keep us healthy and functioning optimally. The immune system, a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs, identifies and neutralizes foreign invaders. It is composed of various components including white blood cells, antibodies, and other specialized cells that work in harmony to protect the body. Manuka honey, a natural immune booster, enhances our body's defenses. Derived from the nectar of the Manuka tree, native to New Zealand, this honey is renowned for its unique antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Imagine the immune system as a fortress, with soldiers ready to defend against invaders. These soldiers, our immune cells, are constantly on the lookout for potential threats. Manuka honey provides these soldiers with the nourishment and support they need. It contains a unique compound called methylglyoxal, MgO, which is responsible for its potent antibacterial effects. It enhances the activity of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infection. By boosting the production and efficiency of these cells, Manuka honey helps the body respond more effectively to infections. Manuka honey's antioxidant properties protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help to neutralize harmful molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and disease. Studies have shown it can reduce the severity and duration of common colds and flu. Regular consumption of Manuka honey can help to alleviate symptoms and speed up recovery time, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Manuka honey plays a remarkable role in supporting the immune system. Its unique properties not only boost immune function but also provide a natural and effective way to maintain overall health. From enhancing immune cell activity to protecting against free radical damage, it emerges as a powerful ally in our quest for health. Incorporating Manuka honey into your daily diet can be a simple yet effective way to bolster your body's natural defenses and promote long-term wellness. Beyond its healing properties, Manuka honey is a radiant skin savior. For centuries it has been cherished for its ability to enhance natural beauty. Manuka honey's exceptional moisturizing properties work in harmony with the skin's natural moisture barrier. It attracts and retains moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Its potent antibacterial properties combat acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation. Manuka honey's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritation and calm sensitive skin. Its rich antioxidant profile protects the skin from environmental damage. Manuka honey offers a versatile and effective natural alternative to conventional skincare products. Experience the transformative power of Manuka honey and unlock the secret to naturally radiant, healthy skin. As we've journeyed through the world of Manuka honey, we've witnessed its extraordinary power. From antibacterial properties to wound healing, digestion, immunity, and skincare, Manuka honey stands as a testament to nature's ability to provide for our well-being. Embrace the wonders of this golden elixir and experience its transformative effects. Subscribe to my channel for more captivating journeys into the world of nature's wonders, and let's continue to unlock the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant life.